going on today, guys? Alan here, and we are back for another video. Today I'm joined by my old college roommate, one of my best friends, Lucas Tournay.
Hello. So
today I thought it'd be fun to do a little question and answer because we're coming back from probably one of the worst concerts we've ever been to in our lives. So I thought I'd just throw up some questions on my Instagram and have you guys comment and say, hey, this is what I want you to talk about in the video. So we're gonna get to those today. So I'm actually gonna have Luke hand this over to him and let him do that. So let's get started, guys.
Don't ever go to Cleveland, kids. Cleveland's a poop hole.
What's that? Girl, that's a booty hole.
Ready?
Yep.
Any plans for wheels and tires?
Yes, I do plan on definitely getting some better tires for this thing. I don't know if it's, I don't know, I've never ran, I forget what I think these are Continentals. And I've never had an issue before with wheels like hydroplaning as much as these do. So I'll definitely be going with Toyo Proxys 4 Plus. This has been the best tire I've ever owned. And I'm kind of stuck on those, but I've also kind of thrown around getting a pair of Falcons. Wheel-wise, I've looked at between some New Speed and I've also looked at Rotoform, but those are kind of the two that I'm going with right now. So that's kind of where my head's at right now. But who knows, I could change my mind and be completely different tomorrow. So we'll see.
Why did you downgrade from your Dart to a GTI for the millionth time?
Jared, I hate you. My buddy Jared, we both had Darts. He likes to start shit with me. Give me a hard time, so thanks for that question, but definitely not a downgrade there, but.
New headlights / fog lights? Probably
not. The GTI has pretty great headlights and fog lights as is. They're the bi-xenon headlights, so they're like, I don't know exactly, I don't know how to describe them, but I don't know, they're really bright and I like them, so probably not.
What made you go with the tuning company you went with?
So I had thrown around the ideas of like what tuning company I wanted to go with. I was between 3, one being Unitronic, which I eventually went with, and then I had APR, and then I also had Eurodyne that I was all kind of looking at. I knew a friend that had Eurodyne. He talked highly about it, so I like that. APR is just the one everybody knows, but I've heard a bunch of people having issue with turbos and stuff, so I was kind of like, I didn't really want to run APR. I was kind of like lenient. And then I approached Unitronic and asking like, hey, do you guys do anything, like offer sponsorships? And that's where, luckily, Mark was awesome and hooked me up with a sponsorship with Unitronic. So that's kind of where I went with it. I mean, they were the one who I would reach out to them. They were more than welcome to like welcome me aboard. And it's been great since. They've worked with me so well. The customer service is absolutely amazing. I mean, just the other day I hit my windshield wiper off and ripped the back sticker off, the back Unitronic sticker, and I had a new one within like 3 days. So absolutely great customer service with that and with the actual tuning process. I can't complain. I'm glad I went with what I did. Next one.
Build plans for 2019.
What should I do to the car?
Trade it in.
Trade it in?
No.
What should I get?
An electric car.
Fuck off.
A smart 2-seater.
Smart for 2? No, so I'd like to actually lower the car, but I don't know, I've never lowered a car before, so it's kind of new to me, and I'm throwing around the ideas of what I want to be lowered on. I'd really like to go air, but money signs, and I can't afford stuff. Yeah, super expensive. I think it's like, if I want to run air for this, I want to say it's like $2,700 to $4,000.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's probably kind of out. Coilovers would be between like, I don't know, a decent set, probably between $800 to like $1,500. So that's kind of where I'm leaning right now is coilovers. So that's one plan. Definitely wheels and tires like we mentioned before. And then, I don't know what else. I've got some ideas. Maybe some more Unitronic parts, get some charge pipes, an intercooler, finish the rest of my exhaust. I want to be shooting flames on the back of this thing.
What is something you don't like after everything you've done to your car?
Honestly, I like everything I've done to the car so far. The only thing I'm not like super, I don't know. Honestly, the thing I hate most about my car right now is hooking this GoPro up and I dropped the little piece that holds the GoPro in, and now it's in the back there rattling and I can't get it until I get a magnet. That's the part that's pissing me off the most right now. But But honestly,
and that's not even with the car that was with its own dumb mistake.
I know. But I mean, for the most part, I don't have any complaints with what I've done so far. Everything runs great. The tune's amazing. I don't have any complaints.
GTI with stage 2 good for daily or better stock, and buy another car for doing fun stuff?
I'd definitely say go, like, I love stage 2. I love the stage 2 with Unitronic. But the thing I've heard about with other stage 2, if like, I've heard like APR, there's issues with like heat soak from what I've heard from other friends. Shout out Teddy Westside. But I don't know, he said that like after driving a while, or if it's really hot outside, you feel the heat soak. Unitronic, I haven't felt that. My temperatures have stayed roughly about the same of what they were at stock, so I haven't had much heat soak issues. I mean, granted, I haven't been like racing and doing a whole lot of like pools and stuff, so I don't know, maybe if I do more of that I will, but for the most part, no. I would say Unitronic Stage 2 would be an absolute great decision for daily driving. I daily drive mine, even though my wife drives me to work half the time. When I do drive this thing, if you want to get into it and have the power, it's there, but if you just want to drive like a normal person, like I am right now, it's perfectly fine as well. Next one.
I need your finger.
Oh.
Weird flex, but okay.
Oh, fuck off.
What's your favorite thing about your car?
You being in it beside me right now.
Aww.
Gay.
Again, I'm not gonna keep saying Unitronic, but that's the tune. The tune's the best part to the car right now. It completely woke the car up. You need my finger again? God, go away.
What's your top speed?
Top speed? I haven't gone above the legal speed limit of 70 miles per hour. No, I think actual top speed, from what I've seen, I haven't hit my car at top speed, but what I've seen that GTIs can hit on stage 2 is right around the 150, 160, but I've never had my car that high.
And we're not testing it out today.
Are you sure?
Positive.
I mean, we can right now. Real
Positive.
quick. You want to? Let's do it.
Positive. Nope. God, please don't. Mom, Dad, I love you. What would be a good first modification on my 2014 Dodge Dart SXT?
So for those of you that don't know, before the GTI I actually owned a Dodge Dart. Yes, I know. I actually started a car club with it. As crazy that is, but I met a lot of cool people through that. But for the Dart, honestly, I'd honestly say if you are planning on doing modifications for it, do it visually. Don't do like performance, because you're not going to get any kind of performance mods, or not any performance power really out of it, unless you have the 1.4, and you might get a little bit, but not a whole lot. But if you're going visually, I'd say, or maybe like an exhaust even to make it wake up a little bit. Like I have a video probably up in, I think it's this corner, on the Summit Racing exhaust. You guys can check that out. I definitely like that. Anything else besides that? I mean, side skirts, the Mopar lip kit if you don't have the Mopar lip kit, maybe a new hood. I know a couple hood companies are out there that look really cool. That's all I really got. I don't know. I don't do a whole lot with the darts anymore. Next question.
The last question, do you think you'll come out to Oklahoma?
So Ted, yes, I do plan on still coming out to Oklahoma. I haven't forgot about you. I know I need to make it down there. Hopefully get up there and have some good fam hangs, but yes, I do plan on coming to Oklahoma, hopefully in September.
That's it.
Alright guys, well, thank you guys for answering the questions. If you guys did like it, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Also check out both our Instagrams. I'll list those down here real fancy. Well, look how fancy that looks. Looks nice, don't it?
Yeah.
You just look at my dick. Okay, so we're gonna end the video on that note. We'll get you guys in the next one. Peace out. Take it easy. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.